Hi, I'm Pete from Move Advisor. Let's get started. There are two principles you should follow when trying to decide which rooms you should pack first. You should always start with the premises in your home that you use least frequently. Why? You wouldn't want to be buried under piles of cardboard boxes in your bedroom, would you? And second, you should start the packing process from the rooms that are the toughest to pack. Why? Packing for a move takes forever, so you should leave some energy and motivation for later in the packing process. Start the packing job from the garage if you have one. In addition to specific car-related stuff, your garage is likely to contain all types of odds and ends, such as hand tools, power tools, and even boxes full of Christmas decorations. Garages often contain hazardous items that are forbidden for transport. Don't even bother packing anything that's flammable, corrosive, or explosive. Visit moveadvisor.com/checklist to get a comprehensive moving checklist with all important activities when moving. There is also a full list of all items that are prohibited to be moved by the moving companies. Once a garage is taken care of, next are the basement, attic, and the closet. These areas are used primarily for storage, so you should expect tons of miscellaneous stuff to sort and pack. Keep in mind that one of the best ways to keep moving costs to a minimum is to take as few items with you as possible, so be ruthless during the decluttering process. Next is the kitchen. It's challenging to pack because of all the breakable items in it, glasses, kitchen plates, and so on. Make sure you use plenty of packing paper and bubble wrap when packing those breakables. Once you reach the living room, things should get more straightforward. The major packing challenges are packing the large furniture pieces, your electronic devices including your huge flat screen TV, and your books. Your bedroom should be one of the very last rooms you pack when moving. It's because you'll want to continue to sleep normally after a hard day's work packing up your things and arrange them into pre-padded moving boxes. Logic says that you should pack the bathroom last of all simply because you're going to keep using the bathroom all the time until the last possible moment. Also, don't forget to sort and pack up all medicines in the medicine cabinet before your movers knock on the door on moving day. What items to pack first when moving house? One great packing principle that should guide you is to pack all non-essential items with priority. What this means is that you should start packing up all the things that you won't actually need until packing day. This effective packing method is known as pre-packing. For example, if you're moving in the summer, as most people do, you won't need your winter clothes or winter shoes. So what are the very first things to pack when moving to a new home? Start with the artwork pieces. Chances are you won't need most of your artwork until the day of the move. Pack up your jewellery pieces beforehand and keep a close eye on them throughout the move. It's a bad idea to wear any jewellery on moving day anyway. If you enjoy collecting stuff, then it's best to pack up your collector's items, coins, stamps, action figures, etc. way in advance. Make sure to pack all valuable documents and medical records, as well as photos and frames. One last but very important thing, visit moveadvisor.com/quote to get a free moving quote from Full Service Movers. You may be surprised what price you may get for a full service move with packing included. It takes seconds and may save you thousands. I hope you like this quick packing guide. Let me know in the comments if I missed something. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode. If you find out you're falling behind with your packing schedule and need professional assistance, use Move Advisor's Move Cost Calculator to get in touch with experienced packers and movers in your area.